I found this unfinished 8x8 panel at Dollar General. I believe they're somewhere between $3 and $5. And I'm going to start by staining it with my General Finishes gel stain. I'm just using a Gen foam brush to apply it. Once stained, I set it aside to dry. And I found this contact paper at the Dollar Tree. You can find this over by the shelf and drawer liners. And I'm going to take a burlap wreath that I had laying around, and I'm going to trace it. You could go get a leaf from outdoors, and you really only need to trace half of it. I'm going to cut out around my sketching of this leaf, and I'm going to fold it in half down the center, and I'm going to go over my lines with a pair of scissors. In this way, I will have a perfect, both sides will be perfect on my leaf. Just like this. And this is a clear contact paper. It is a little bit on the fragile side. You want to be a little careful with it and just gently lay it on your block. And I tried to make it as centered as possible. This is going to be Snow Owl by Wise Owl and a foam roller. And I'm going to go over my contact paper and then cover the entire 8x8 unfinished block with the white. And then you're going to take a razor blade and gently lift up your cutout. This is from the Blessed, Grateful, Thankful Mesh Stencil by Maker Studio. And I'm going to cut out two of the words, grateful and thankful. At this point, all my paint and my stain is dry. On the left, I'm going to put the word grateful across my leaf. And I did a second panel with a little bit different of a shaped leaf, and I put thankful. Using some of my black gel ink and my rubber spreader from Redesigned by Prima. All this can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm going to pass over my lettering on my mesh stencil. Remove the excess, and then remove my stencil. I had these burlap bows with the little button in the center. I believe I grabbed them at Dollar Tree, one of those places, and you can use any bow, and I put it on the stem of the leaf. And I think these came out really cute, really simple. Anybody can do them. And you can do any shape that you'd like on these panels. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.